Hi everyone! I just received the notifications that my parcel from Russia with my new Russian shawls is delivered. Let's pick it up and open it together. Tam-pa-bam! I'm so excited! It's like Christmas in March. I was waiting for it for a few months and now it's here. Hooray! I'm going to have more scarves. So excited to see what's inside. Well, need to be careful not to cut my scarves. So what do we have here? Tam-pa-bam! Hello my new friends! One silk scarf, one wool scarf and one cotton scarf. Let's see in detail. Here is a silk scarf, beautiful color, very soft and slippery. Well, it's silk. The next is a traditional wool shawl, very soft wool, beautiful flowers. And the last is a cotton scarf with a map. When I saw it, I said to myself, I must have it. I've never seen something like this before. Well, the fabric is a little stiff. I hope it will be softer after a wash. The details are not so thin as on silk and wool scarf. Let's see how it's look. Now a quick trial. The size of wool shawl is 55 by 55 inches. Very big. The name of the pattern is Autumn Romance. Some traditional looks. This silk shawl is 51 by 51 inches. The name of the pattern is Magnificent Century. Wow! It can be a stylish scarf or just a traditional wrap to show the pattern. And the last is the cotton scarf, 57 by 57 inches. It's huge. No name of the pattern. Well, looks interesting. It should make a great dress for a beach. What do you think? Well, now I have more shawls to try, to tie and to inspire me. Thank you for being with me. Thank you for watching this video and I hope to see you next time. Bye!